In this video, I'll guide you through resolving pesky paper pickup issues with your HP DeskJet printer. Whether you're using a DeskJet 2700 series, 3700 series, or an earlier model, one of these solutions should get your printer back to optimal performance. Stay tuned as I walk you through several easy fixes for this widespread issue. First, check if the paper tray is loaded correctly. Sometimes the paper might be placed incorrectly, which can cause the printer to fail in picking it up. Next, ensure that the papers are not stuck together. This can easily happen if the papers are new and straight out of the packet. Try using fresh paper if the current stack has been sitting in the tray for too long. Sometimes old or curled paper may not feed through properly. Inspect the paper path for any obstructions or torn pieces of paper that might jam the printer's mechanics. Check the printer rollers for dirt or residue. Dirty rollers can prevent the paper from being picked up properly. Resetting your printer might solve the problem. Unplug it, wait for about a minute, and then plug it back in to potentially clear temporary glitches. If the issue persists, check for any software updates, as outdated firmware might cause paper handling problems. If after trying all the fixes your HP DeskJet still has trouble picking up paper, it could indicate more serious mechanical issues. Consider checking out the parts and replacement guides in the description below. For further help or recommendations for new printers, keep watching our channel for more useful videos.